The first option is to continue the career we started back home. This is a natural option for those of us who enjoy their career and can continue it abroad either locally or remotely. These two options, locally or remotely, each have some specific advantages and considerations. Both of them share the greatest advantage of staying in our professional field and continue gaining relevant experience. They both also provide stability in our lives during a time of many changes, and that's a huge advantage too. The remote option, in some cases, has the possibility of keeping our current position in the same company. That definitely makes things a lot easier as you can avoid most of the major issues: qualifications, language, time in host country, and more. You should make sure that you can legally work in the host country, but I'll talk about that in more detail during the next section of this course. If you can continue your previous job remotely, consider the time differences between your host country and your home. Will you need to change your work hours in a major way that can affect your daily routine? Does your availability change abroad? If so, does it change in a way that coincides with the time difference? For example, an important daily meeting that used to be in the late morning back home is now overlapping with the time you pick up the kids from school? Another consideration is your social life, as colleagues can also become friends. When working remotely, we lose a social option and should make up for it by making local friends in other ways. If we need to find a local position in the host country, there will be no time difference or social isolation at work, but all of the considerations I've listed in the previous part are relevant.